In this video, I'll show you how to animate lines in DaVinci Resolve using the Fusion page. Let's get started. First, click the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen to enter the Fusion page. In the node graph, select the Media in One node to make sure it's active. Next, hold Shift and press Space to open the Select Tool window. Type Paint, then hit Enter to add the Paint node. It should automatically connect between Media in One and Media Out. With the Paint node selected, go to the inspector and choose Polyline Stroke at the top. Now move to the viewer and click to place a few points. This will define the path of your animated line. To bring it to life, scroll down to the stroke controls. You'll see two sliders called Right On. Set the end value to 0 and click the keyframe icon. Then move the playhead forward a few seconds and bring the end value back to 1. This creates a smooth drawing animation. If you want your line to curve, just click on any anchor point in the viewer. You'll see yellow handles appear. Drag them to bend the line and shape a more fluid path. Now to change the look of your line, go to the brush controls. This is where you can select the brush shape. By default, it's set to soft, which gives a feathered appearance. For a cleaner look, switch it to circular. You can also choose square, or load your own image or video as a custom brush. To make a dashed or dotted line, choose a more defined shape like circular or square, then scroll down to the stroke controls and adjust the spacing value. This adds separation between each stroke mark. Even though the slider is capped between 0 and 1, you can type in a larger number, like 2 or 3, to increase the spacing further. Once that's set, head back to brush controls and adjust the size slider. This controls the actual size of each dash, that's all there is to it. With a bit of experimenting, you can create clean dashes, dotted lines, or fully custom strokes, ready to use in motion graphics, callouts, or stylized designs.